Ever thought about how a wireless charger works? My name is Srimadhi and today I am going to present a fascinating science project on wireless power transmission. Let's dive into the world of wireless communication. The concept behind it is quite fascinating. In 1826, Andre Marie Ampere discovered a connection between currents and magnets. Then, in 1831, Michael Faraday described the electromotive force driving a current in a conductor loop by the time-varying magnetic flux that we know today as Faraday's law of induction. Transmission of electrical energy without wires was observed by many inventors, but a concise explanation came from the 1860s Maxwell equations by James Clerk Maxwell. After 1890s, Nikola Tesla experimented with transmission of power without wires using inductive and capacitive coupling that we know today as Tesla coils. Although Tesla couldn't commercialize his findings, his method is widely used today as short-range wireless power systems. For this practical demonstration, we will need the following materials: a transmitter containing a transistor, a resistor, battery, and a coil for power transmission. Then we need a receiver coil and a light-emitting diode that indicates when the signal is received. Now we've connected the resistor and the transistor. Then we added the battery and the switch and the coil for power transmission. Moving on to the receiver circuit, we have taken the receiver coil and connected it to the LED to indicate whether the signal is received. Let's test our wireless power transmission setup. When the switch is pressed, the transmitter circuit sends a signal to the receiver circuit and then it lights up the LED. Now let us understand how this works. When the switch is pressed on, the transmitter circuit sends a signal to the receiver circuit with the help of electromotive mutual induction. When the current flows through the transmission coil, it creates a magnetic field. The magnetic field induces a current in the receiver coil and lights up the LED. And there you have it, a simple yet fascinating science project on wireless power transmission. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science videos and projects. See you till next time.